Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix live suspended on TikTok. So if your live is also suspended on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your profile in TikTok. Simply launch open the TikTok application and tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. You can see over here, I'm already in my profile. Now at the top right corner, you'll be able to see three lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now four kinds of options will pop up at the bottom of your screen. At last, you'll be able to see the option for settings and privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. Under support and about, you'll be able to see the option for report a problem. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several topics over here. Find the topic for live. Tap on it. Now you can see over here several options will appear. At first, you'll be able to see the option for hosting live. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At first, you can see the option for live is suspended. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, TikTok is committed to maintaining a safe and positive live experience and reserves the right to suspend accounts that violate our community guidelines. You can see the question, is your problem resolved? You can see two options over here, yes and no. All you have to do is tap on the no option. Now you can see over here, need more help question will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see message box over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to type in, my live is suspended, but I haven't violated any community guidelines. Now tap on the send button that you can see right over here. TikTok may ask you few questions afterwards. You'll have to be prepared to answer them. After that, TikTok will look into your matter. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix live suspended on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.